I'm about to tell you the real reason you'll quit wholesaling by next month. And it's not because you're lazy, unmotivated, or don't have the right strategy. I've coached hundreds of wholesalers. The ones who quit early on all make the same mistake. The ones who close consistent $30,000 deals, they use this formula. I'm going to walk you through the PRYME Focus Formula, the exact 4-step system that keeps my students from burning out and actually closing deals. Step 1. Pick one battle. Most people fail because they're trying to fight every battle at once. They want to fix their business, their health, their relationships, their finances, all in the same 30 days. Here's the truth. You can't fill 5 cups at once, but you can fill one really fast and use that overflow to fill the next one. Right now, you're the general, the soldier, the chef. You're everything in your army. You can't fight on all fronts. So ask yourself, what's the one area causing the most stress right now? For most of you, it's money. It's inconsistent flow of income. If you're here, that's probably it. So make that your only focus for the next 90 days. Everything else, maintenance mode. I'm not saying ignore your health or your family. I'm saying you're not optimizing those areas right now. You got a basic plan. You stick to it. That's it. All your energy, all your focus goes into one battle, building consistent, high profit deal flow. Step 2, operate on 90-day cycles. Stop looking at the year. Only look at the next 90 days. When you try to plan 12 months out, you're piling every life problem into one timeline and expecting discipline to carry the load. That's not ambition, that's overwhelm. The best performers I know, they live in quarters, 90 days. That's it. You know that book, The 12-Week Year? That concept is built on this. A 90-day sprint gives you focus, urgency, and a finish line you can actually see. So here's your new question. In the next 90 days, what's the one thing that if I handled it makes everything else easier? That's your sprint. That's your only goal. Step 3, lock your calendar and honor it. Here's where most people sabotage themselves. They plan to do things instead of scheduling them. Planning is just wishful thinking. It's saying, if time permits and it's convenient, I'll do it. Scheduling is a commitment. If you say you're making calls at 9 a.m., you're making calls at 9 a.m., whether you feel like it or not. If you say you're waking up at 5:30, you're waking up at 5:30, even if you slept like crap. Because here's what you need to understand. Every time you break a promise to yourself, you lose confidence. And when it's time to lock up a deal, make an offer, or negotiate with seller, your brain remembers it. It remembers that when things get uncomfortable, you pull back. So honor your calendar like it's a doctor's appointment, like it's a non-negotiable, because it is. And yeah, tweak it every week. If something's not working, adjust the time. But once you set it, you keep it and honor it. Step number 4, fill 1 cup at a time. High performers don't spread themselves thin. They dominate one area at a time. They don't try to get healthy, build a business, fix a relationship, and learn a new skill all at once. They pick one. They fill that cup aggressively, then they move to the next. When I decided to move to Tennessee, I needed to rebuild my business in 6 months. That was my only focus. Not optimizing my health, not tweaking my routines, just business. And I did it in 6 months, what most people take years to do, because I wasn't diluting my energy. So for the next 90 days, your cup is your business, your wholesaling system, your deal flow. Everything else, maintenance mode. Once you've got consistent $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 deals coming in, then you can focus on the next cup. But right now, one battle, 1 cup, that's it. Real quick, if you're serious about fixing your deal flow and closing bigger deals, I'm hosting a 2-day virtual event January 30th and 31st where I'm breaking down exactly how to close consistent $30,000 deals in any market. Head to pwalive.com to register. Link is in the description. Now let's keep going. So why does this formula work when everything else fails? Because most people don't fail for lack of information. They fail because the goal is emotionally too heavy. Here's what I mean. When you say new year, new me, you're not just setting goals, you're telling yourself that the current version of you isn't good enough. You're saying you need a whole new identity just to succeed. And that belief, it kills your momentum before you even start, because every setback is going to feel like proof. Every delay feels heavier. Every missed day feels like failure. And by your next month, you're burned out. You're done. But here's the reframe. You're not broken. You're just unfocused. The person who got you here, that person is very impressive. You should be grateful for that version of yourself. They just need to level up. A little clarity, some structure, same you, just with clear priority and relentless focus. That's how real change happens. So let me give you an example. I have a student, we'll call him Kyle. And when Kyle joined, he was doing a few wholesales. He was working for a company, making calls for 8 hours a day. He had done a few wholesale deals for no more than like $6,000. And he was doing flips and doing listing. That year, working his butt off in real estate, he barely did, I think, $140,000. His first full year with me, we locked in on one battle at a time, 90-day stretches, lock in your calendar, and filling one cup at a time. He did 7 deals in his first year and did nearly $300,000. Much less work, much bigger results. He was barely doing an hour or two a day in his real estate business at this point. He took some vacations. He was chilling. Not something I recommend you do, but he could do it and still make $300,000. That's insane. You understand? That's the power when you actually focus your time. Now, here's the deeper truth most people miss. How you show up in one area is how you show up in all areas. If you're not keeping your word when you say you're waking up at 5:30, you're training your brain that commitments are optional. And when it's time to lock up a deal, make an offer, negotiate a seller, your subconscious is going to say, yeah, we don't really follow through on uncomfortable things. That's why calendar discipline matters. That's why honoring your commitments to yourself matters. It's not just about productivity. It's about building the identity of someone who does what they say they're going to do. Because when you become that person, closing $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 deals becomes inevitable. You're not hoping, you're not wishing, you're executing, because that's who you are now. So here's your challenge. For the next 90 days, pick one battle, lock your calendar, honor it, fill one cup at a time. Stop trying to become a new you. Just back the version of you that got you here with better focus. And if you want help building your system, that's why I'm holding a 2-day virtual event, January 30th and 31st, where I'm breaking down exactly how to close consistent, high profit wholesale deals, $30,000, $40,000 plus in any market. Register today while spots are available. I'm walking through the full PRYME wholesaling method step by step. If you're serious about making 2026 the year you actually break through, register now at pwalive.com. Link is in the description, and I will see you there. Let's go.